Now we will see how to create a lead or a deal or a, anything inside a CRM. Yeah, how to create it, and then how to create a contact and company. So these are the three things. Client information and company information, and then the lead or a deal or anything. Okay. So uh, wherever you are, either you are a lead or a deal or wherever you are, there is an option called create button. Click this create button. Here in the left side, whatever you see is the client information. Okay. Now, this is the same page for everything. Even if you are in a lead or a deal or any pipeline, inside any deal or inside any lead or wherever you are in CRM, this is the same procedure how you create a this form. Okay. Now here there are three things are there. One is the data of this form. This is the data form where currency, lead name or a deal name or a pipeline name, company name, and then phone name, email. These things and all normal fields. This is a form fields. Okay. Imagine I'm creating here in the lead. Okay. So lead fields. This phone is lead phone. This is lead email, lead website. Okay. But can you see this is a contact? This is the contact. This is how you create the contact. Here you will get a drop down. Okay. Here you will not get a drop down. See, if I'm just typing in name, I'm not getting any drop down here. But here, if you check, you will get the drop down. So this is the client database. So if you search here, you will get the client database. So how do I add the client? So type the name. Example, let's take a client called Jones. And once you type the name, click enter. Click enter. Once you are enter, then you can able to see the phone number. Type the phone number. Okay, and then put the email ID and then address. This is how you will create a contact. When you put here our email ID or a name or a company, this is not creating a contact. This is creating a lead. This is creating a lead or a deal or a ticket or a client visit or anything. Anything you are doing inside CRM, while you creating this form appears. If you put anything here, this is not a creating a contact. This is just a creating a lead or a deal. But entering under the contact or under the company is actually you're creating the contact and the company. The company name is Snowflake. Again, click enter. Click enter. Then type the phone number, then email ID, then click save. Address, save. Now, if you see, once you click save, you'll be able to see two things. The contact has been created, company has been created, and this is how you create a contact and this is how you create a lead. Okay, but no, you can also create without creating a contact, without creating a company. You can also create a lead. How do you do that? You just open the lead or a deal or anything. Again, client visit or ticketing or anything you are going to do in the CRM. Open here. You can mention the company name and the phone numbers. But this will not create a contact. This will not create a contact. You will not get a drop down. This will not be created a contact. This will not create it as a drop down. Okay, and save it. Now, if you save this, no, there is no client information. See client here. You can see the client, and if you open this client, there is nothing is there. But here it is there. If I try to search this phone number here, it will not come. See 234. See nothing is coming. 234 is there is no phone number. Okay. So this is different. This is different. This is how you create an actual contact and the company. Here, this is just a lead contact. So, but once you deal is won. Okay, how deal is won. Now I'm splitting deal is won. This time it will ask you to create a contact. Select entity missing fields, create a contact. It will ask you to create a contact. When you move to lead to deal, create a contact. When you are inside deal, contact should be created. Okay. You can also simply create a contact, not by creating a lead or deal. How do you do that? Just go to customers top and just click contact. Directly you can create a contact. I'm going to create a contact. The contact name is, let's take MDM. I'm going to create a contact called MDM. Okay. Now I'm going to come again lead or a deal. You can go anywhere lead or deal. I'm just coming here and creating a lead or a deal. Now I'm going to search MDM. See, MDM is coming because I have created the contact. Even you can create contact directly from here, or you can just create the contact here and then you can add it in the lead or a deal, client visit or a ticketing or anything your ID process, anything you're going to do inside the lead or a deal. Okay, this is how you create a contact inside the form, and outside the form in directly you can go to contact and you can create, or you can create here lead and then you can add the form. So if again, let me repeating, this is not creating a contact. This is just a field. And if you just go to click client and here, if you're able to create the contact, this is the actual contact you'll be creating. And whenever you search, it will come there. If you create here, it will not come in the search. Then what is this purpose? This is also a contact. This contacts belong to lead. This cannot be, this is not created as separate contact. This number is belong to this lead. So inside the lead, there is a phone number, there is an email ID. This phone number, email ID of this lead may not be created as a contact. So remember, creating a lead phone number, lead email ID will not create automatically contact, separate contact. You need, if you want to have a drop down, you need to create a separate contact. Understand? Hope you understand how to create a contact or a lead or a deal or anything in the Bitrix24 CRM, like client visit or ticketing form, ID projects, ID tickets, anything you're going to build inside CRM. This is how you create a contact, company, and the form of the lead or a deal or a tickets.
Please like and subscribe this channel to get more videos about the upcoming business-changing softwares in the market that can boost and increase your revenue and productivity faster.